In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import/upload contacts to Odoo. If you already have a list of people in a CSV or Excel file, importing them into Odoo is one of the fastest ways to get everything into your contacts module. You will also avoid manually adding each contact, which can be time-consuming. First, go to the Contacts module. On your Odoo dashboard, locate the section labeled Contacts and open it. Once the Contacts page is loaded, you should see your existing contact list and options related to managing those records. This is where Odoo lets you bring in new contacts in a structured way. Next, click the setting at the side of Contacts. Look for the Settings control near the Contacts area, often positioned along the side panel or near the top controls for that module. When you click that Settings option, it should open a menu with different actions. Take a moment to confirm you are in the Contact Settings area because the Import option is located there. After that, select Import Records. In the menu that appears, you will see an option for importing. Choose Import Records to open the import interface. This step matters because it tells Odoo that you want to create or update contact records from an external file rather than adding them one by one. Now click Upload File and select your CSV or Excel file containing your contact data. In the import window, you should see a button or link labeled Upload File. Click it, then browse your computer for the file that holds your contact information. When you select the file, wait for Odoo to load it. If your file is correctly formatted, you should see a preview or a list of detected columns. This preview helps you confirm the data is going to import as you expect. Once the file is loaded, you will need to map your spreadsheet columns to the corresponding Odoo fields, such as name, email, and phone. On the import screen, Odoo typically shows the columns it detected from your spreadsheet, along with options to match each column to an Odoo field. For example, if your spreadsheet has a column that contains contact names, map that column to the name field in Odoo. If there is a column for email addresses, map it to the email field. If there is a column for phone numbers, map it to the phone field. If you have additional columns, map them to their matching fields as well, as long as those fields exist in Odoo. This mapping is a key part of the process because it ensures that each piece of data goes into the correct place. After mapping is complete, click Test to check for errors, then click Import. Before making the import final, the Test option helps you catch issues early. When you click Test, Odoo will validate the file and check for problems like missing required fields, mismatched formats, or columns that are not mapped correctly. Review any results or messages you see. If something does not look right, you can adjust the mappings and run the test again until everything looks clean. Once the test results indicate that everything is ready, click Import to complete the process. Odoo will then create the contact records based on the data from your file. After the import finishes, you should be able to return to the contacts list and see the new records appear, usually based on the fields you mapped earlier. And that covers everything you need to know. With the import setup, column mapping, and the test step, you can reliably bring your contact data into Odoo in a quick and organized way. And that is all there is to it.